welcome to mathematics session. In the last class we discussed about plane shapes. In the plane shapes we discussed triangle, rectangle, square, circle. So how many sides are there? How many corners are there? Like that we discussed already. Today class we will discuss about solid shapes. What are they? Solid shapes. What is the meaning of solid shapes? This type of shapes having the three measurements. How many measurements? This type of shapes having the three measurements. What are they? That is length, breadth and height. Length, breadth and height. So the shapes having the three measurements, the type of shapes are called as solid shapes. Okay children, today in this class we will discuss about solid shapes. Here we have some examples of solid shapes are there. So before we enter this topic, first we will know about what is the meaning of face, what is the meaning of edge, what is the meaning of vertex. So now we will discuss. Okay. First one is face. What is the meaning of face? The surface of solid shape is called as face. The surface of solid shape is called as face. What is the meaning of face? For example, is the cuboid. This flat surface. I am observing this flat surface. It is called as a face. Okay. The surface of the solid. This is a solid shape. This flat surface is called as a face. And the next one is edge. What is the meaning of edge? The line where two faces meet is called as an edge. What is that? The line where two faces meet, it is called as edge. The line. This is a line. Line where two faces meet. This is one face, this is one face. Two faces meet, one line is there. Yes, this line is called as edge. Simply what you know about edge, the outline border of the solid shape. This is called as a edge. The next one is vertex. The next one, vertex. The point where edges meet is called as a vertex. The point where edges meet. This is one edge. This is one edge, this is one edge. So, but where is the vertex? This is the vertex. This is a point. It meets at two edges or two or more edges. 1, 2 and 3. This is also one edge. These three edges meet one fixed point. That fixed point is called as vertex. Okay? What is face? What is edge? What is vertex? This is the face. And this outline part is called as edge and these corners are called as vertex. Okay. Now we will discuss about some examples are there. In that, how many faces are there? How many edges are there? Now we will discuss. Okay. The first one is cuboid. What is this? Cuboid. Here, how many faces are there in cuboid? 6. 6 faces are there. Where is it? That 6 faces. Let us count. Okay. This flat surface is called as a face. We know already. Now only we discuss it. So, how many faces are there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total how many faces? Yes. Total 6 faces are there. And the next one is edges. The next one is edges. That means the line where two faces meet. That is this outline borders. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The back side 12. So total how many edges are there in cuboid? Total 12 edges are there. And the next one is vertex. The point where edges meet. Two or more edges meet at one single fixed point. That point is called as a vertex. So how many vertices are there? If we have one vertex, we have If we form the cuboid, how many rectangles we observe? Two rectangles form one cuboid. Okay. The next one is cube. So here observe. In the same way, even cube also faces 6 edges, 12 and vertices also 8. So let us count. Faces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 faces. And this faces, which shape it is? It is a square. It is a 2D shape of square. Okay. And the next one is edges. These outline parts. Count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Total how many edges? 12 edges. Next, vertices. That means corners. Corners of the given shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Total vertices are 8. You can easily observe. That means cuboid and cube also same spaces, same edges and same vertices. Okay. And the next one is cone. In this cone, how many faces are there? How many faces are there here? 2 faces. Where is it, the 2 faces? This is one face and remaining this is one face. Okay. This circle, this one is one face and remaining this one 2 faces. Total how many faces? 2 faces. In these 2 faces, we have to call this. One is circular and one is curved. This is curved. This is the curved face and this is the circular face. Curved means like this. Okay. This is the curved face. This is straight. This is curved face. Okay. This is the curved face and this is the circular face. Total we have 2 faces. And edges. How many edges? Only one. This is one edge. This is one edge outline. Next, vertex. Vertex means 2 edges form one fixed point, that is a vertex. So here we have one vertex. This is the vertex of the given shape. Okay. And the next one is cylinder. Here, how many faces are there? 3 faces. Where is it that 3 faces? In these 2 circular faces. And one is curved face. Total 3. 2 circular faces and remaining this one curved face. And edges, how many edges are there? 2. That means these are the edges. So 2 circles are there, so 2 edges. The next one is vertices. Here we don't have any vertices in the cylinder. Okay. And the last one is sphere. In this, how many faces are there? Only one. That one face is totally curved face. Okay. Curved face. And the edges in the sphere, we don't have any edges, any vertices. Okay children, in the class we discuss about how many faces are there, how many edges are there, how many vertices are there. We observe in this solid shapes. Okay children, the next topic is nets. What is the meaning of nets? A net is a 2D shape that can be folded to form a 3D shape. That means a net is a 2D shape format which is made by 2D shapes. If we fold the shapes, we can get the 3D object. So let us see first of all net shape of a cuboid. Okay children. So once you have to observe, this is the shape of cuboid. Okay. If we open this box, what you observe? So if this is the outline part of the 3D object. So how can it is made up of? It is made up of a 2D objects. That means here once we have to observe this is which is in the shape of rectangle. Okay, so to form a cuboid, we can depends upon 2D shapes, that is rectangle. We will depends upon rectangle. So this is the outline part of the cuboid. So where we are observing this type of nets, where we are observing in bakery shops, we are to observing this type of nets. Do you know, children, if you want cake, the shopkeeper folds that net, that is ready-made nets also they will have. Okay, they will keep that for unfolded nets. Then after they what they want that cake keep in that box. So this is a 2D shape format of the 3D object. So we are observing in bakery shops. They have already unfolded cakes. Okay. If you want to the cakes, they will prepare a one box. Then after the cakes, keep it on that box, and then after they will give to you. That is the unfolded nets. Unfolded nets. This is also unfolded nets. This is the net shape of a cube. Why? Because here once observe this shape, which is in the shape of square. Which is in the shape of square. So this is the net shapes of cube and cuboid. We have already cube and cuboid net shapes are there. Not only this cube and cuboid, we have cone, net shape of cone, net shape of cylinder also there. In the next classes, we will discuss about the remaining net shapes. Okay. The next one is the next topic. Different views of an object. Different views of an object. What is the meaning of different views? 3D objects having the different views in the different directions. If we change the direction of object, we can get the different types of views. In that, what are they? The mainly we have observed the 3 types of views. The first one is top view. The view of the object from the top. If we see the object from the top, we can observe one picture, one view. The view of the object from the front part, if you observe the front part, we will observe one more type of picture. And the side view, the view of the object from the side, if we change the direction, we can get the different views of the 3D object. So let us see one example. Children, what is this? This is a height. If this object, we have to change this direction, we can get the different views. If you see the object from the front side, it is the front or not? Yes, it is the front side of the hut. So if you observe the front part, what you observe? That is windows, doors, the outline part of the roof. Okay. If you change the direction, I am changing this hut direction. Now what you observe? Here just half part of the roof we will observing in this hut. Okay. Okay. This is the front part of the hut. If we change the direction, we can observe the half part roof only we have to observing. If you see the object from the top part, what you observe? The only roof part will be we have to observe. That means the object is same, but if we change the directions, we can get the different types of views. If you see the object from front side, that is front view. If we change the direction from the side, that is side view. If you change the direction, if you see the object from the top, that is top view. Okay, now? Yes. And the next topic is different. We have discussed already net shapes, different views of object. That is front view, side view and top view. Front view, side view and top view. And the last topic is rolling and sliding. Rolling and sliding. What is the meaning of rolling and what is the meaning of sliding? Let us see. A flat surface. An object having the flat surface that can be slide. The object having the curved surface that can be having the roll. Okay. For example, let us see. So this book, it is a flat surface. If that can be slide. If the object is curved, like a ball, okay, that is a curved surface that can be roll. Can be flat surface. If you throw this book, how it is move? Just it moves from one place to another place. That means sliding. Okay. If the object is curved face, it can be rolled. Okay, children. The object having the flat surface is sliding. That means we change the place, one place to another place. The object having the curved face, that can be rolled. Okay, coin, bangle. That is the meaning of rolling and